How to fix login error on Starbucks. If you're not being able to log into the Starbucks app for any reason, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, what we can try to do is, if you're using the Starbucks app on Android, long press the Starbucks app icon, tap the I button that will take you to the app info page, then go to the storage tab where you can clear the cache files and you can also try to clear the data. Now once you've done that, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Starbucks app and check if the Starbucks app has an update, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, if you're still not being able to sign in, then chances are that you could be entering an incorrect credential. So check if your email, username and your password is correct. In case you forgot either of these, tap on forgot username or forgot password button over there and try to reset it and see if that helps you. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.